Right, we're going to play Name That Train. Are you all up for it? No, come on, a little bit more enthusiasm. Who's up for a little game of Name That Train with a twist? So a train is going to come into view now. Does anybody know what that train is called? It's an easy one, isn't it? Now there's a little goods train coming behind the mansion house. So I want you to see if you can name this engine. What do you think you know what the engine is? No, it's not James. No, it's not Arthur. No. What's the name of this engine? No, not Clarence. Look, okay. Let's give you one last chance. I can't hear you properly. I can't hear you. You're going to have to shout it out after 3. 1, 2, 3. Name the engine. Yes. Percy. There we go. With one troublesome truck. Now we've got a big passenger train pulled by a big red engine. So, who's going to be first to tell me what this engine is called? So, what we've got as the tiebreaker is name the naughty railway children who are standing on the tracks. Okay, so here we go. We've got someone there, looks Italian, running along to warn these children that they need to get off the tracks. A young lady there, a couple of people there, someone looking very sulky standing in the back of that truck there, someone driving the tractor. Oh yes, and there's a character there. I think there's some other people kicking about somewhere. I don't know if we'll find them in time. Oh, how about 2 Christmas oriented people? We've got someone at the back of this tram and someone at the front, his little help. There's a problem with this game. You're going to have to score yourselves because actually I don't know all of the characters, so I'm going to have to trust you to tell me some of the characters who are on the track over here. Anyway, hope that was just a tiny bit of fun, and sometime in the future we're going to be able to come and have a little garden party. Sarah will be responsible for drinks and food, and I'll be responsible for passing the controller to you so that you can drive some trains.